Hi, Teddy Atlas, and we're just about Vladimir Klitschko's ring walk, not exactly full of fanfare or intensity. David Haye coming to the ring with his entourage of cornermen, but they look calm, cool, and collected. Hard to believe that they're going to be firing off punches within moments. When you get a fight like this that everybody's been talking about, it's always so interesting to see these opening moments here in round number one. The script for Vladimir Klitschko is always the same. Trying to target the right hand, he hit the target that time. Vladimir Klitschko's been stunned. So the game plan for Vladimir Klitschko doesn't change much. Another good, solid shot to the head.
And the game plan, you're right, is consistent. Set up by that jab once again.
David Haye's defense is now serving him well. Nice job blocking that punch. Vladimir Klitschko was in a tough. David Haye stunned here. And big shot comes crashing home. A sharp knifing punch. That back power hand just scored the knockdown.
4, 5.
Well, that may have been just a flash knockdown there, Teddy.
Yeah, I think he's okay. He looks clear-headed. His legs are okay. Now it's just a matter of making sure.
Oh, that's gotta hurt. Well, we know he survived earlier, but now he goes down for a second time.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's it. The fight is over. Vladimir Klitschko's power carries the day. A first-round knockout victory. A lot of explaining.